Easterly departure is approved. Wind estimated 300 to 14. Departure will be at your own risk.
I'm going to go behind the landing traffic anyway. Back. Ready to go?
Yeah, ready.
Where you parking?
All right,
Midfield T hangers, 98 Zulu.
Columbia 98 Zulu, turn right when able, taxi to midfield hangars. This frequency.
Let's do it again.
Second guessing your decision.
That's the new FAU Stadium on the left, Florida Atlantic University. This canal here borders between Palm Beach County and Broward County. This is now Deerfield Beach.
Oh.
This is Hillsborough Boulevard. I'm sure you're familiar.
Yes.
This area here is a Lighthouse Point, Florida. You can see all the waterways, island after island, bridge to bridge. Everybody's got that water access here. Intercoastal waterway loops around the inlet, continues south towards Lauderdale, Miami. My new house we're building on the left with the helipad on top, right next to your house right there.
Wow.
The Hillsborough Inlet right there with the Pompano Beach Lighthouse. What do you think? You liking the ride?
Oh yeah, it's awesome. Great night.
You like roller coaster rides too?
No!
Taking a tower helicopter 81 Quebec East. This is downtown Fort Lauderdale. If you ever want to do something exciting, see that parking garage right down there?
Yeah.
If you look on top, there's a parking spot for us. See that helipad?
Oh wow.
And that's the Las Olas helipad. This is Las Olas Boulevard right here.
Oh, where we go? Okay. Drive.
And then we land right there, and then you can go to any other restaurants. And
Oh my God. That's where I said last night I want to go shopping here. Yep. Okay.
this is a way to see a cruise ship.
Southwest 1969.
Oh my God. Look at that.
Oregon here, Maine Northwest 595 at all times.
This is the biggest cruise ship in the world.
Wow. Wow.
This is the Fort Lauderdale Inlet. Get a little boat ride here.
Nice. Wow.
Yeah. This is Fort Lauderdale Beach.
Right here. Right here.
Beach Place, the Ritz-Carlton, the Hilton, coming up here in the W. Well, that was the Embassy Suites we passed. This is Deerfield Beach and the Deerfield Pier right here. What we will keep on the video is all the
Oh my God.
yeah.
I think my brain just fell out of my head.
Check out those rooftop swimming pools there.
Yeah. Wow.
The pink tower on the right, the Boca Resort, Waldorf Astoria, the tennis courts and the golf course, the country club.
Wow.
I was just asking her how you guys like the ride.
We loved it. It was awesome. Thank you.
All right.